Never underestimate a tardigrade. Random fact fizz. Did you know? The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer due to thermal expansion. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. The dot over the letter I is called a tittle. The world's smallest mammal is the bumblebee bat, which is about the size of a large bumblebee. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Dare time. Attempt the seemingly impossible, try to touch your nose with your tongue. It's a challenge that's sure to entertain. Something you will remain stupid if you don't like and subscribe. Did you enjoy these quirky facts and dares? Keep the fun going by hitting that like button and subscribing to Random Fact Fizz.